Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my design team pack from Kraft Supplies for you for November. Okay, so first of all I've got this stamp. It's a Hero Art stamp. It's got a butterfly, flower, a smaller butterfly, a little scroll and a journaling spot. So one stamp. I've got this pretty crocheted lace, very pretty. I've got an assortment of mesh flowers, so I've got fatigue colours, blue, a nice mauvey grey, bright purple, pink, a nice patterned black and blue, and a pink and blue. So that's one pack. You get 7 in a pack, so they're excellent. This are some little tassels. You get 2 in a pack of these, so I've got 2 packs of them. They're so soft and pretty. And I've got this beautiful bling ribbon. So it's little black flowers and it's a whole wide ribbon, and you can see how much you get in one pack. It's huge. Huge. So I'm going to have fun with these products, and I'm going to come back and show you what I've made when I get it finished. There will be a link in the description box below if you'd like to go and check out the supplies at Kraft Supplies for you.